Today I'm here to answer that one question that I get asked more often than not when I'm consulting a patient for IVF or ICSI. And the one question that mostly all couples ask is that how do you ensure that our genetic material does not get mixed up? We here at Nova have this excellent system which is known as RI witnessing. RI witnessing is a system which is tagged with RIFD coding. Now, when we have a patient who has enrolled for an IVF or an ICSI cycle, we have these chips which are RIFD chips. These chips are placed onto every dish or every test tube which is used for that particular patient. And there is a card which is again RIFD coded, which is also created for that particular patient. This card is placed in this console every time we are dealing with the genetic material of that particular couple. When we place that in this slot, the RIFD, the RI witnessing system reads it, and every time there is a dish which is a mismatched dish or the dish doesn't match and is placed on their station, this will spark an alarm. An alarm will go off and the embryologist or the andrologist will know that the genetic material does not belong to the patient of which the card is inserted into the slot. This is a beautiful technique or a technology which we use to ensure that there is no mix-up of genetic sample, there is no mix-up of genetic material, and the patient can be rest assured that their eggs and their sperms are used for their cycle. Thank you.